All right, so we are now going to move on to just a little bit of review. We are going to be reviewing simplifying expressions. Review simplifying expressions. Okay, there we go. All right. So our first review is going to be -4 parenthesis 3 minus x end parenthesis minus 7x. So again, -4 parenthesis 3 minus x parenthesis minus 7x. So we are going to bring down this very last term. And then we can just cross it out. It's not there anymore. Let's worry about our distributing. So we are going to do -4 times this 3. What's -4 times 3? So 4 times 3 is 12. There are different signs, so it's going to be a negative. And then this is going to be -4 times -x. -4 times -x. So a negative times a negative is a positive. So this is going to be plus. And then this would be 4x. Now we can combine things that are alike. So we have a positive 4x and a negative 7x. We have a positive 4x and a negative 7x. So if I do my little t-chart, I have my minus here, my plus here. I have 7 on this side, 4 on this side. When they're on different sides, you subtract. So 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 is bigger than 4, so I'm going to keep the sign that's on the 7, which is negative. And then I just add an x. And then I can bring down my -12. That's all that can be combined. So that is it. All right. Let's go on to the second example. Of what we did the other day. So number 2 is going to be 3 times the quantity 2x minus 7. 3 times the quantity 2x minus 7 plus 11 times the quantity -2x plus 2. 11 times the quantity -2x plus 2. This has got a lot going on. So if you look at this as two separate things, all right, this is one distribute, and then this is another one. So it's two different distributing, all right? So if we start with the left side, we have 3 times 2x. 3 times 2 is 6. Bring down my x. Then we have 3 times -7. 3 times 7 is 21. And they are opposite signs, so this is going to be negative. And then I can work with my other set of distributing. So I have positive 11 times -2x, positive 11 times -2x. So 11 times 2 is 22. They're opposite signs, so this is a negative. And then I just need to remember to bring down my x. And then I have positive 11 times positive 2. That's just 22, and it'll be a positive. So now I'm going to add things that are alike. So my x's, if I make my little t-chart, I have a minus and a plus. I have my 6 on one side and my 22 on the other. They're on different sides, which means I need to subtract. 22 minus 6 is 16. Bring down my x. 22 is bigger than 6. The sign on the 22 is negative. And then do the same thing with the 21 and the 22. They're on different sides. So that I subtract. 22 minus 21 is 1. 22 is bigger,